So this is the shaving machine. Okay, it is OLSENMARK company shaving machine, 7-in-1. You can see 7-in-1 grooming kit. 7-in-1 means it has 7 parts with one this machine, right? So I will unbox this and I will show how many parts are represent inside this machine. So I will show gradually. Once again I will tell you this shaving machine also I purchased from UAE, Dubai, right? So I'm going to unbox. Yes, inside this is a gun, right? And this is the catalog book. This is the catalog book of this shaving machine, right? This is the catalog book. You can study each and every part. This is the shaving machine and it's the warranty card. Okay, it's the warranty card of this machine. Warranty 31st March 2023 is going to start and it will end almost 2 years. Yes, 2 years warranty card. It has best quality. So I will show more thing. Just I'm going to unbox. So this is the side where you can see, yes, this is the comb if you want to cut and trim your hairs at a longer level. In a short, it's used for shorter level, so it's good. This is the if you want to remove your hair from the nose and ears. If you want to remove your hairs from ear and nose, you can use this one. So this is, and third, and if you want to remove your hairs at trim at a 0 level, if you want to remove your hairs at 0 level, you can use this one. And the third thing is what this is the trimmer, proper trimmer, and it is used to remove at a very precise level, micro level. You can remove your hairs. And this is the this is machine. Okay, and you can remove this come from machine very easily, so you can insert second one or third one, use on this way. And third, if you want to use second come, you can just push this one and you can use this, and beside this you can remove from punching. And this is the micro level come. You just push inside and you can use to remove your hairs. So if you will on, you can use, yes, you can hear it's noisy level. It's on now, so I can switch off. So this is the this is your machine. So beside this, inside this box, few more things. This is the charger of this machine, right? This is the charger of the machine. This is oil used to wash the comb and the inside of machines. And beside it, this is brush, and it is the holder where you can, yes, you can place this machine here. And this is your complete specifications of these machines are given here. So this is a very good machine and very economical. You can purchase it within, I think, 3,000 to 4,000, and it will earn long run definitely. So if you found my video helpful for you, please like my video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.